In UNISWAP was the talk of the town when it came to decentralized finance, DeFi. In September 2020, the platform's own cryptocurrency, called UNISWAP, UNI, was released. The price of the token went through the roof, and in just a few days, UNI was already in the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. What will happen to the UNI cryptocurrency in the future, and what could the UNISWAP price be in the future? Watch this video to find out. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. What is the UNISWAP? The first version of UNISWAP, a decentralized exchange, came out in November 2018. The platform is a decentralized application, DApp, built on the Ethereum blockchain that lets you trade Ether for different ERC20 tokens. By giving them commission fees, UNISWAP gives liquidity providers a reason to work with it. The UNISWAP cryptocurrency came out in 2020 and is now used for voting rights, major changes, and other things. UNI is an ERC20 token that is traded on ChangeLake, Binance, Wobi Global, Kraken, Crypto.com, and other exchanges. Along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market, the UNI token started to do very well in 2021. The price of UNI was only $5 in January, but by the end of the month, it had gone up to $20. The price of a token reached $30 by the end of February. Why did UNISWAP become so popular last year? The easiest and most important reasons are that the platform is easy to use and works with the MetaMask wallet. The users have full control over their private keys as well. The interfaces of the other DEXs were not as easy to use as the one on the UNISWAP. So it's just a market maker that is automated and uses open source code. There is no order book, and there are no middlemen. Because of this decentralized platform makes the exchange process easy and smooth. The AMM, Automated Market Maker, system is the basis for UNISWAP. With ERC20 tokens in pools, liquidity is made. On each exchange, liquidity providers charge a commission of 0.3%, which goes to the pool's reserve fund. On each commission, UNI holders get 0.05%, and liquidity providers get the other 0.25%. UNISWAP is not the first project to use AMM, but it did bring attention to this direction of development, which led to other protocols that work in the same way. Due to the many transaction fees in this protocol, UNISWAP is a big gas provider on the Ethereum network. But it's become a problem recently. The fees for using the Ethereum protocol got very high, but the Ethereum team has already been looking for a way to solve the problem of scaling. Why is UNI keeping steady despite the bear market? Investors' confidence in the asset deserves the credit. At the same time, the fact that UNI is listed on the exchange is a great reason for it to do well. This makes investors react and shows a lot of motivation, so it's not surprising that the token keeps going up as a result. Our content that has been perfectly optimized goes here. The decentralized exchange is just a group of smart contracts that work together to make UNISWAP. Smart contracts are put on the blockchain, and because they are on the blockchain, the code can't be changed, there is no central authority, and it can be used anywhere. Smart contracts can move money on their own based on the parameters in the code. This makes financial services much more efficient. Investors send their cryptocurrency or coin funds to a UNISWAP smart contract to earn interest on their holdings. These investors are called liquidity providers. Liquidity pools are the smart contracts that hold their cryptocurrency. Liquidity providers are important for UNISWAP to work because they allow traders to buy and sell on the platform. Instead of ordering books, the smart contract figures out how much each asset on the cryptocurrency market is worth. This is how a smart contract from UNISWAP works. UNISWAP Historical Price Analysis. Even though the decentralized exchange, DEX, has been around since 2018, the UNISWAP cryptocurrency token didn't come into being until 2020. In the first year after it came out, it only cost $3. CoinMarketCap says that the UNISWAP price will go up to $7 on September 19, 2020, because of all the hype surrounding it. As the hype and excitement started to die down, so did the price. However, it didn't drop as much as other tokens, and it didn't hit its all-time low after the fact. Before its price went up on September 17, 2020, it was worth $1.03, which was its all-time low. But CoinMarketCap says that on the same day, it hit an all-time low of $0.4190. It hit its all-time high of $8.44 just one day after things started to calm down and go down. The price of UNI kept going down as the months went by, but it never went below $2 before the 2020 bull run caused it to start slowly going up again. The price of UNI at the end of 2020 was $5. Since then, it has kept going up and is almost at the same level as its previous all-time high. UNISWAP works on a decentralized peer-to-peer exchange called an automated market maker, AMM, which is different from how most cryptocurrencies work. Before we talk about how much UNISWAP will cost in the future, let's take a look at what makes it special. UNISWAP has a unique set of liquidity providers because it is linked to Ethereum as two smart contracts, LPs. This one-of-a-kind feature of UNISWAP is a big reason why token mining is no longer a problem at all. In a way, it increases transparency by getting rid of middlemen and permissions. So, instead of being separate cryptocurrencies, the digital assets are linked as pairs. As a decentralized protocol for automated liquidity provision on Ethereum, UNISWAP surprised the whole crypto space when it decided to launch the UNI token on September 17, 2020, during pandemic. UNISWAP price prediction 2022. The price of UNISWAP is expected to be $6.09 in 2022. The bearish mood on the cryptocurrency market has hurt UNISWAP by 50% this year. A phishing attack on the UNISWAP liquidity pool stole 3.5 ETH, which the founder of UNISWAP didn't care about. The attack didn't change the price of UNI much, though. UNISWAP UNI price prediction 2025. The price of UNISWAP is expected to be $21.75 in 2025. To encourage new ideas, the UNISWAP Foundation has a grants program that people can apply for on the website. With incentives, developers are more likely to add value to the platform. The average price of UNISWAP on the cryptocurrency market will be between $18.68 and $18.03. UNISWAP UNI price prediction 2030. The price of UNISWAP is expected to be $122.15 in 2030. As the crypto community grows, UNISWAP will eventually reach its goal of $100. If assets are turned into tokens and the rules are set up right, people will use decentralized exchanges more. The change will help UNI's price go as high as $135.06 and as low as $118.91. Conclusion: UNISWAP is a platform for decentralized finance built on Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain has helped the platform handle more than 102 million transactions. The Ethereum blockchain is about to get an update, which will make the UNISWAP platform more scalable. Users won't have to pay more for better performance anymore. When the crypto market comes back from the crypto winter in 2023, UNISWAP will start to get better. It's hard to say when UNISWAP will hit rock bottom, but it's clear that it's undervalued and will make money in the years to come. Even though the price of the UNISWAP protocol didn't stay the same after the honeymoon period, early adopters have found it useful. Analysts, on the other hand, are a little more careful going forward because the success of the UNISWAP protocol is so important. The average price prediction for UNISWAP in 2031 is $164.19, with a range of $159.30 to $201.09. The UNISWAP price forecast shows that the value will keep going up after the decade is over. Web3 will be a big fuel, but bad laws and market crashes will stop UNISWAP from doing well. Please be aware that all predictions about the price of UNI cryptocurrency are based on a lot of guesswork and are not good financial advice. Any big investment needs a lot of research and advice from people who know what they are doing. When you trade, you should always be careful and never put more money at risk than you can afford to lose. When investing, it's important to do your own research. That's all we have for today. See you soon in next video. Subscribe our channel for more crypto videos. Also press the bell icon for all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.